Hello everyone. Welcome back to Crafting with Weird Designs, Inkscape edition. In this video, I want to show you what I did and what I found out for my subscribers who love Inkscape. Inkscape is a great software to use. It's free. You can download it into your computer. You don't have to have internet to use it. You can go to inkscape.org and check out which one is compatible with your computer and download that one. I have had the version 0.92 for the longest time, but 2 days ago I decided to upgrade and I have downloaded the version 1.2.2. 1.3 came out this year, I think, or last year, but I don't want to go to that one. I want to go a version lower. So I have downloaded this one, and this is it. This is it right here. And I have been playing in it ever since. I'm going to show you some nice things. Some things look old, but some are very helpful, especially if you're making PNG images like backgrounds and you want to spice up some things of yours. What you can use some of the filters to use. Okay. Um let me show you. Let's start at this. I'm gonna delete this right here. Okay, let's see. Let's go to the shapes. You see, if you get this, you just come here and click here, and you get the shape you want. Okay, my shape is here. Turn it into a I'm going to turn it into a pad right here. Pad, object to pads. Okay, right here. And I found some filters. This one has filters. The other one didn't. Look, let me duplicate this really quick. Okay, and then I'll go to filters. Come on, I need to move this over here. Filters right here. And then you have something here called bevels. And then you can test the filters to see what will work with your image. You see that? I love this. I hope there was a space to edit it. I don't know how to edit this, how you can edit it. But it's just a background. Maybe you can edit it here. I don't know. Oh, yes, you can. Okay. You can edit it. You can change the colors here. Make it transparent. That's not what we want to do. You can edit it. That's nice. Let me see. You see how nice this is? So if you want something like this, you can use this one to have it. Okay, let me take this one. I'm going to copy it and have it on my clipboard so that I can paste it all the time. Okay, let's go to this one. Filters. Buffers. Let's go bright metal. Oh, look at that. It looks like metal. Bright metal. You should make it yellow. You can make it green. Look at that. I love it. Look at that. You can make it whatever color you want. Like I said, I wish I was able to edit it like where I want it to be. I'll put it here. I'll paste this one here and let's go to the other filter. But there's button. Oh, it looks like a button. There's something else. Let's go to the other one right here. Bevels, combined lightning. This is nice too. Filters. So you can go to all of them. And I found this one. Fat oil. I love it. Look at that. It looks 3D. It looks really 3D. Fat oil. Let's see. You can change the colors. And the more when you move it, the shape will change. You see that the shape is changing because it's oil. This is so cool. I find this one so cool. These two, very cool. Let's see other ones, other cool ones. Filters with glowing metal. Ooh, let's see. These ones they look almost the same. Filters. Let me see. Matte jelly. Oh, this one you have to edit it in here, but you can do the live preview also. You see, that's the matte jelly. I'm gonna close it. Let me remove this here. Let's see. Bevels, molted metal. Ooh, this is so cool. This is the coolest thing I've seen. Let's put it yellow. Do you see that? It looks like look at that. So cool. Look at that. Especially this one. You see that? So if you have a font, I mean, you see, I talk about PNG in the beginning of the video. It's like these are not SVGs; these are PNGs, things to be printed on cards, things that you can put on your website, and all of that, all nice things. PNG. These filters are the coolest thing. Let's write a word down. Let's say we write down, um, let's write PNG down, and I'll choose a very bold font. Let me go in here. There's a font called Rockwell Extra Bold. I love this font. So let's check it out. Okay. And even on text, you can run the filters. Let's go back. We were at Belfast, and this was, I think it was glowing metal. Let's see if it was this. No, it was not this. Let me get yellow. No, it was not this. Let's go back. Uh, it was this one. If I could find this. Let me see. Melted jelly. Oh no, here. Melted jelly. What else? Melted jelly. Oh yeah, you see how it comes out? And you can add words to it. So you see, if you is gonna write something down, you see that it works with text. So if you're writing something and you want it in this way, you will be it will be possible for you to do that. So check them out, each one of them, all the filters right here. I saw neon. Oh, that's cool. Let's see that. Neon. And you can put a color for it. You see that? Very nice. Like these kind of reflector colors. Look at that. It would be nice with pink. Let's see, pink. Yes. Look at that. If you're creating something cute, you can do it right in here. If you don't have internet, you can go to Canva. You can do it right in here. Right in here. Let's go back to this one. And you also have blurs. I don't think I like this one. Okay. Oh yeah, this is one of them. Let's go. There are different ones. Blur. Let's see this blur. So you can adjust it here and apply. Oh, it's nice, so nice. Let's make it yellow. You see that? These blurs, you would pay for these blurs in Canva, but you don't have to pay for them in here. You can create them right here in Inkscape, and you can even create them here and sell them in Canva, the creator area. You can sell them on there. You see how nice this is? Wow, I love it. Let's see one more filters, and you can go to bumps, bubbly bumps, all kind of, these are filters, things to use. Look at that. Let's see, to the bumps, canvas bumps, all kind of bumps. You see, you can use them as backgrounds, you can use them as patterns. Let's see, distorts, chalk and sponge. You see that? I love this one. Okay, I love this one. And then maybe I would make this one and go to buffers and let's see, do fat oil on it. Look at that. And you can still change the colors. You see that? You can do a combination of the filters. Let's see, colors, colorize. Let's see what this will be. Light perfume. Oh, orange. I don't like this. Okay. Filters. You can do other stuff on it. Melted gel. Oh, this is different. Yeah, you can combine them too. You can combine them too. I love these. I really love these. Especially the neon. We found the neon on the blurs. We found it right here. Neon. You also have pressed steel. Let's see what pressed steel is. Pressed steel. Pressed steel. Okay. This is also cool. Check it out. It's also cool. Look at that. So I did the melted jelly on it and pressed neon. These are so cool. Look at this one. And you can also save it here with a you can save it here with a transparent background. You can let's do something. Do you see that? You can make it right in here, and you can sell it. You can sell it. You can sell image the designs, not Barbie, but you can sell whatever you're gonna create with this on Etsy. Let's say we don't have to say Barbie. Let's say baby for a baby girl, and then let's say let's not waste time. Copy, duplicate it, bring it here, and then we say okay, baby boy, baby girl. Let's say boy, and then we make it blue. Let's go make it blue. Let me find my blue really quick. You look for baby blue right here. You see that? Oh my goodness! Don't miss out on this. Like I said, Escape 1.2.2, go and download it and go play in it. If you're a creator, if you're a crafter, if you sell digital products, if you sell downloads, if you sell cards like printable cards, templates, and all that, go and download this and create nice things in here, especially with words. Oh, I love this. Like I said, I found it on the filters, bevel, and neon, and you can mix the melted jelly, the melted ones with the neon, and they come out really well. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this, and don't miss out. There's a lot of money to make with this tool. Download it. You don't need internet to use it, and create your digital products or your printables or your downloads. Whatever you create for sublimation and all, you can design it right in here. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all my Inkscape subscribers. Bye.